Hey, Sam here. Welcome to this demo of Converzly. Now this is a landing page builder, sales page builder, JV page builder, any sort of web page builder that you can think of that makes it super easy. What is the difference with this and some of the others? The fact that it has a copy machine in it, basically, in a way. What it does is it lets you fill in various aspects. It will ask a number of questions where you fill in the blanks and it will generate the copy onto the page for you. So you already have a well and easy to use template to start editing your sales copy or your JV page or whatever from it right within the software. So it's a browser-based software, so all you need is a computer and a browser. You don't need to install any software, and this is the dashboard here. So if we jump in, you can see there's a number of different templates. We have 404 pages, coaching pages, landing pages, lead generation opt-ins, JV pages, a whole bunch of different sorts of sales pages, anything you can sort of imagine that you need to use to be able to sell online or get leads online. Super easy. Okay, also within this there's a few different settings that you can play around with. Avatars is basically its personality that you can use on the sales page, so you can fill in the bio. So it says what is the name of your avatar. It could be you, what it wants to become, you know, all those sorts of things. Or it could be a model customer, you know, someone who's struggling online, someone who wants to get leads or something like that. You just fill in the gaps and then it'll use this in the sales pages should you want to select it. Okay, so let's take a look at one of the pages. So we've got a demo page here. So if I click edit, this is one that I've already filled in some of the blanks. So this is the actual page here. Okay, and as you can see, it's built out the page for us. So if I go back to the dashboard and I don't save any changes, how I built it was just by clicking new smart page. And as we can see on here, we've got a whole bunch of different ones to choose from. So I just chose the sales page one. So I just clicked use template, and then I'm going to call this one demo 1. We can start building, and here it is. It's populated it all with the same stuff that I used on the last one. So it says what is the name of your product and service. So I've just called it the demo. A few names of the people who would give testimonies, so it just puts those in. What call to action would you like to use? How many sales? So it's asking for different proofs and things like that. Name of your product and service, and another testimonial. Very simple. If we go to edit our page, it's going to build our page. So I'm just going to let this load up in real time while I talk over it, so you can sort of see how long it's taken to load. So it's just building the page slowly. Here we go. The page is starting to pop up. Cool. So here it is. So it goes, awesome, you did it. Thanks again, and welcome to Converzly. So what you can do is there is a tour where you can just go through and look at various aspects, so it can show you how to build the page. So you get a bit of tutorials as well as you go through. There's tutorials inside the members area as well. So it's very easy. So this is the built page. It's got a countdown timer, everything like that, buy buttons, the testimonials, so you just swap out the pictures and a bit of copy as well. Very easy to add more elements. You just click add new, and then it's going to ask for components, so headline, text, container, picture, video, all that sort of stuff. So you just add it and it'll add it to the page. You can also have a media file uploader, so you can upload the images and everything like that. Now once we've got this all done, we can save it. That'll save it within our account, and then what we can do after that is we just click publish page. So here it is. So open up the dialog box. So this is the URL for the page. So you can use this direct page if you want it to be hosted on Converzly once you've gone through and edited everything for it. You can change it as well, link it up, change it to whatever you want it to be. If you have a WordPress plugin, you can upload it directly to your WordPress site, or you can download an HTML file to host on your own hosting or on Amazon as well. So this is a very good tool if you are into building pages online. You may be using WordPress, you may be using OptimizePress or some other sort of tool. The main benefit of this one over other ones is the fact that it can fill in a lot of the copy for you, so you don't have to write the entire copy of the page or start from blank. It fills it in. It's got a nice little copy engine where it you know, generates headlines and things like that for you that fit your business and what you're trying to achieve. So it does a lot of the work. So it's a very good base to build off. You know, I wouldn't rely on it to build the entire page perfectly for you, but you could go through and edit it very easily, add in extra elements, add in extra content based on what it already has for you. So very simple solution for those looking to build pages fast and also have something to work off for their own copy. The pricing is a special pricing during launch. It is $197, I believe, and it will not be available at that price after launch. It's going to be unavailable. It will be shifting to a high monthly and a high yearly format in terms of costing, so it is going to go up in price. So this is the lowest price it's going to get during the charter launch period. So check it all out down below. Check out all the bonuses as well. Make sure you get in during the launch period to save the most amount of money you possibly can using Converzly.